Hello again, Guardians. Welcome back to Destiny. This is Solar Phoenix. I was joined today by Fufu Cuddly Poops once again. We joined a skirmish. No, wait, clash. Clash is what it was. Sorry. Um, and it was one of the laggiest games since the last update that we've run into yet, and it was really really bad. That and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but Thieves Den has been popping up a lot for me. And same with Fufu. So if you guys notice the same thing, comment or say something below. Or it's just ridiculous. Sorry if I sound a little nasally or something. I'm kind of getting through being sick or something. It's weird. But yeah, we just had this really laggy game, and you'll see plenty of examples here. But yeah, I'm just gonna leave you to it. I died right away. It was pretty bad. But then I got a grenade kill right after. It made no sense. There shouldn't have been anyone there. But anyway, I'll just leave you guys with the video. Thank you very much for watching.
I don't know how he killed someone with a grenade though. That's pretty impressive.
Gains the lead.
We all have really bad internet.
I think we flipped the spawns. Good. We stole it over here too.
Uh-oh. Axiom bolt. The guy come down the tunnel.
I died anyway. I got a.
You got him. Never mind. I watched you just like hand cannon his face off. Wait, did you die? Maybe that
I
wasn't
died.
you.
I died a while ago.
Dude, it's so bad. Everybody's internet is terrible.
Yeah, it's pretty awful. I don't want to go in there. That's scary. I'm just gonna dance it.
Oh, there's two snipers down there. Don't go that way.
Where? I want to try fighting snipers.
Ah, it's so jumpy and it's really making me upset. It's gotta be someone on our team. It's basically just our team driving.
Oh yeah, someone on our team is just dragging us down. And I'm not even getting that many good kills. Like, I'm getting some really... Like, I'm dying a lot, too.
What? Okay, yeah, it's... Dude, our entire team is bad internet. And it's really upsetting me.
Heavy ammo inbound. Heavy ammo available.
Flankerino. Oh, I killed myself because I'm an idiot. But don't worry. I'm gonna sneak up behind you and get the kill that I missed. Hello? Is anybody out there?
What?
How did you die? Axiom?
Apparently a grenade. No, he threw like a cluster grenade, but I wasn't even standing there, or so I thought.
This is scary. I don't even know what's going on anymore.
I don't know where they're at.
Dun-dun. Hi. Where'd they all go? Holy shit, you're jumping around too.
Everybody is.
Oh, what? I'm retarded. Let's try this again, shall we? And you go over there. And let's go back this way. So I don't want to be pinched and die. Oh, goddamn, behind me again. They're just everywhere. They're just everywhere. Laggy? Super laggy.
Oh, I forgot I needed a double kill.
Oh my god.
A single Nova bomb. I didn't get a double kill.
Gotta love sidearming them to death. Makes them feel emasculated.
Alright, apparently that was my kill. I shot him in like the foot and I got a headshot, but whatever. I'll take it, I guess.
Dude, we are in. This is like everything that Destiny said this last update would prevent. Like, I don't know how we, with all the terrible internet, are even possibly winning.
Heavy ammo on the way.
Like, we're not supposed to be even be able to get close.
Heavy ammo available.
That was a late kill if I'd ever seen one. What?
Got
Yeah,
him.
two of the guys on the other team quit because they were probably just tired of dealing with this. This is pretty bad though.
Damn it, I almost had a double kill. They were jumping around.
Aw, shoulder charge, kill him! Yeah.
Ooh, I got my super back. I need a
No,
double.
5
remember,
minutes
you
remaining.
need double kills.
How about a triple kill?
You're almost there.
Oh, I didn't kill him. Did you get him?
Yeah,
One of us got him.
He got tethered, and then I cleaned his ass up.
Oh good, that tether probably saved me.
Maybe. Dude, you just like, this whole thing
You're
is,
jumping, I'm trying to follow you, but you're like everywhere.
I'm trying to just fucking be,
Ow, you pushed me outside, you dick.
well,
Not you, but L Tuna.
tuna. You mean
I
the
don't- I
tuna?
don't know what his
Are you
name
talking
is. I
about
don't know
the
what his-
tuna?
I don't know. Is his name the Tuna? No, it's El Tuna. I said it right.
Oh my god, we are in the presence of the tuna.
Well done.
I don't know how
could
to,
have used
I don't know
your
how to handle
talents
this.
in the
Alright.
field.
Dear God. That was crazy. It's the tuna.
Damn you, El Tuna. I almost did just as good as you.
Oh.
You know why
Yeah.
I didn't, though? Because I was backing out of the doorway, but then he come running through, pushed me back outside, got me killed. I would have had one less death and one more kill.
Yeah, yeah. Well, honestly, there was a grenade right inside that doorway too, so you probably would have got killed by that. And